Okay, we are on air.
Oh no.
I don't like that. That's okay. There's nothing I can do about it.
And then I'll post the recording of the video onto the discussion board.
Okay.
Okay, so part 2, super easy, I thought.
I thought it was really easy too.
So, does anyone have any questions then, or should we just start the quiz?
So the double make sure.
Mine's just loading, and then if, you know.
So number 5, that's 3 out of 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then number 6 is 5 out of 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on.
That's what I thought. I just want to make sure.
It's not wanting to load. Okay, let's just do the quiz then.
Okay.
This seems a lot easier than last week. Thursday.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay.
There's 13 questions.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay.
But really, there's only 11. Okay.
True.
2 of them are personal.
True. Everyone there?
Yep.
I'll read question 3 then.
Okay.
Human blood can be classified into one of 4 basic types, O, A, B, and AB. The proportion of people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types is summarized in the following table. Okay.
So the question is the blood types and the proportions given in the table about define a probability distribution.
True?
I would say so.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood?
0.45 out of 100, so 45 out of 100.
Yeah, so it'll be like 0.45 then, right?
Yeah, let me...
Randomly selected.
So what would be... Here, I'm gonna do math if we need to.
Wait, we can do math in a math class?
Weird, right?
Who would have known?
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it's 0.45. I don't know why it's like rounded. It's trying to trick me.
Yeah.
What's the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood?
So that would be 55. So yeah. 0.55.
0.55. Alrighty. So next it says, use the following information to answer the next 2 questions. Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tingle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen, whatever. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? Round answer to 3 decimal places.
So it would be 1 out of 6. But what's 1 divided by 6?
Or would it be 1/7? Is 7 bowls?
Oh yeah, what's 1 divided by 7? You're right, Becca.
It's 14285, which if you round to 3 decimal places, it'd be 1.143.
At 143.
Okay. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer.
Yeah, I would say so.
Sure it's not there's little evidence a dog can do this?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
All right.
I feel like that was sarcastic. I was sensing the sarcasm just a little bit strong on that one. Okay, so it says M&Ms are small chocolate candies. The M&Ms website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. So there's the table. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red colored candy? So it's 0.13, right?
I would think so.
Yeah, I think so.
What is the probability that a randomly selected candy is green? Round to 2 decimal places. So can you get your calculator out first?
Mm-hmm.
I've got mine going.
Okay, so 0.13 plus 0.14 plus 0.13 plus 0.24 plus 0.20 equals what?
84. 84. So that means it's a 0.12?
No, 6.
0.16, my bad.
0.16 probability. Are we all in agreement? 0.16?
Yes.
What
And
is
then the probability that it's not green is 84.84.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
Alrighty. Now it says the ACT scores of the students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States were taken from capex.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Get the mean, standard deviation, the variance, and all that fun jazz. Then it says half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
24.
Yeah. Well, less than or equal to
Right.
would be the maximum, which is 35, isn't it?
But half of the observations?
Oh, yep, you're right. So 24. Would it be 24.3 though? Because that's the mean.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
24.3.
The top 25% of the students scored above what number? So that'd be the third quartile, right?
Yeah.
So 27?
Correct.
Yep.
Okay, which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? The probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur. That's true. The probability that a number is between 0 and 1, that's true. And if the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative. There are no negative probabilities.
Right.
So it'll be that one then.
Yeah.
Let's go with it.
Alrighty.
Cool beans. Submitting quiz.
Yep. Drum roll, please. Wait 1 sec. Drum roll, please.
Okay.
100%. Nope.
Nope. 14 out of 15.
We missed question 11, so half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
It must be 24.
Yeah,
Just-
I think it must have been.
Probably just 24 then.
There's
Yeah.
no retakes, right?
No. It's okay. It's still an A.
True.
minus.
Yeah.
Hey, but it's in the A category, so we're good.
Yeah.
A.
Hi, excuse me.
Sorry.
I was like, did someone just join a group meeting?
No, that's Sister Hendricks. She's awesome.
Cool. All right. Well, I think that's everything, right?
Yeah.
I believe so. So next Thursday's at 1 o'clock, right?
Thursday at 1 o'clock.
All right.
That's-
And then do we have to have like a meeting with the TA for the class?
At
Yeah.
some you should probably I don't know how we do the signups. That's the only thing.
All right. I'll email the teacher and the TA because you can never get more than one answer, right?
Okay.
And then I'll message you guys through the group text.
Okay.
Okay. Sounds perfect.
Cool. Thanks.
No problem.
you.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Becca.
Bye.